Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone.
Looking at page 32 of Standard of Excellence, Book 1. These are partner songs. And so you have Swing Low, Sweet Chariot, then All Day, All Night, and then I will combine them together in a third track. Right, and all day, all night. Sorry, all night, all day. 1, 2. Right, so you're looking at Manhattan Beach March by John Philip Sousa, March King of the United States, and here we go. That tempo is pretty much the usual tempo for this march. As you're working through it and learning it, you might want to take it a little slower just to lock in the pitches and the fingerings and that. So I'm going to go a little slower again. And so 140, dynamic decision. Hopefully you've been able to put all those in for yourself as needed. But I'm going to give a quick piano would be the softest. Mezzo piano, the next one in. Mezzo forte for the third one, and then forte for the next one. And there are other volumes that are not mentioned in 140 that you will come across at some point. So just keep that in mind. And here's 141 for Trombones Only in the key of F, with thrown in a couple chromatic F sharps. So watch for those in 5th position.
Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.